Hey guys, it's John from Robin Hood Gaming, and today I'm going to give you a little tutorial on Audacity and mic stuff and sound recording and whatever. First of all, this video is in response to a guy named Scorpion S. I don't know how you Scorpions 2. He had an issue with his mic and or with recording sound anyway, and then he wanted, well, basically I'll put a link in the video, his video, and you can see what his issue was. Basically there was a sound in the back, and it was kind of a high-pitched sort of floating sound that he recorded every single time, and it wasn't Fraps that did that. He didn't know what it was or how to get rid of it. And I want to say, first of all, it sounds to me, from what you've told me and what I've heard, from what I read and whatever, from what I heard from your video, it sounds like it's your mic. It sounds like your mic is not the best quality, or you might be having issues, or there could be something else. I could be wrong. But if you have a cheap mic, I would recommend upgrading, and that may fix the problem. So do that. But I'm also going to show you a way that I believe, I haven't tested it because I don't have your mic, but I've tested it with other things and it's worked. I'm going to show you a way to clean up that audio with Audacity. Now, this should work. Like I said, I can't test it with your mic because I don't have your mic or your computer or anything, so I can't test it 100%. Only you can do that. But this is going to be sort of a double tutorial. I'm going to show people how to do something, and I'm going to show you how to fix that, and so it's going to be a double benefit for everybody. So Scorpions 2, pay attention. Everybody else, you pay attention too. Alright, so basically today's little tutorial is going to be on noise removal. So what is noise removal? Noise removal is removing the unwanted sound or noise, I guess you could call it, from your audio clip. And with Audacity, that's a really easy thing to do. So as you see, I've pre-recorded a little clip here. It's just me talking, and it goes, I said something like, hello YouTube, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, or something like that. I think that's what it was. And so this is an uncleaned up clip. This is a clip where I have not cleaned up the noise yet. It's just raw. I can't play it for you because Camtasia will not record the sound coming out of the speakers when I do that, I don't believe. But I will, in editing, I will click play. So I'm going to stop the video here, and you can hear the unedited clip, what it sounds like. Okay? Alright, hold on. I'll be right back. Hello YouTube, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Alright, so there you go. It's not a really big deal. For me anyway, like for some mics it will be an issue, for some people depending on your computer, your sound settings, your microphone. There's a million different things that could be affecting the way your audio sounds. Like I said, for me it's not a big issue. My mic's fairly decent quality, I think, and so like I don't even bother doing noise removal when I record because it's like it comes out okay, I think. But for some people that their mics don't put out that, this is going to be a really useful tip for you. So alright, so now you've heard a clip that is uncompressed, or used to Fraps tutorials. Now you've heard a clip that is you've just heard a clip that's unedited or unremoved, like the noise is still there. I haven't done anything. It's just a raw clip. Now I'm going to stop this recording again. Yeah, I know, I'm lagging behind, and I'm just going to play over a little clip of what it should sound like clear. Okay? So I'll just be back in a second. Hello YouTube, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so the only thing that's really changed between the two clips, the edited and the unedited, is that little sound you can hear through my mic. Sounds like a little bit of air must be flowing through it, or a little breeze almost. It just sounds like something is being kind of slightly pushed through it. But like I said, for certain mics, it might be a lifesaver because they may record something else, or they may have a different, less quality recording. I don't know. You might have a different sound that you might want removed. So this is a little tip for you guys. So, like I said, Audacity is a very powerful audio editing program. I'll just bring this up here. Here's my clip. You can do this all right in here. You can record all kinds of cool stuff. And I'll maybe do some more tutorials on this later, but today it's just noise removal. So, first of all, you have to understand this is the clip right here. See, there's nothing really here. This is the noise, okay? Because there's nothing there. This is just the noise. You can see the little bit, the small variations in the audio track. But over here, where you get all the big bumps, that's where I'm talking. That's my voice all along there. It's fairly easy to find. Like I said, if the noise in your clip is loud, it may look bigger than this. That's fine. Just listen to your clip, play it over, and distinguish, okay, I started talking here, and I ended talking here. So then this has to be my voice, and everything else is just garbage. It's noise. And for this to work, you have to know that. You have to be able to distinguish it. It's not hard to do. You might have to play with it a little, figure it out, depends. So what you want to do is find a sample of the noise that you don't want in your clip. So highlight it, highlight the noise. Then you want to go to Effect, and you want to go to Noise Removal, and you want to go Get Noise Profile. Okay? So now what this does is whatever you've selected, it takes that and saves it as a profile. Well, not forever, just for this little session. If you close this and open it again, you'll have to do this all over again. But it saves it as a little profile. So now, after you've done that, after you've gotten your profile, basically what it's done is it's decided, oh, okay, so this is the thing we want to remove. So now what you want to do is you want to highlight the whole part of the project where you want noise removed. So now this is where the whole part I've highlighted, this is where the noise is going to be removed, all along here. So now go back into, once you've done that, go back into noise removal, and you may have to play around with this. If you hit preview, okay, well, say here, going back and forth will change how much noise you remove. Less noise removed, more noise removed. You may be thinking right off the bat, more is better. Not necessarily. If you remove too much noise, it will also remove some of the other backbone of the recording, and your recording may sound funny. So just play around, go up and down, and hit preview until you find the best removed, best amount removed. I find it tends, for my microphone anyway, for someone else maybe way up here. For me, it tends to be right around here. One higher. You probably can't hear my preview, but I can hear it, so I'm deciding what's the best. Right about there, I'd say. That's probably the best quality. I'll go one more just to make sure. Yeah, go back one. So I'm not removing a lot of noise, obviously, because I'm going into the lesser end. But it'll be enough to take out that blowing sound you heard in the beginning. And the noise isn't just necessarily the blowing sound. I believe, I haven't tested it, but I believe, well, I have tested it to a degree, but I haven't tested it with everyone's mic, especially not Scorpion's. So basically, you should be able to remove any kind of noise, I think. You should be able to remove any kind of noise that you want to remove. You just have to get the proper profile, like I showed you before. And anyway, so once you've done all this, and you're picking how much noise to remove, and you have your previewed, and you've decided, okay, this is the best quality, this is the best I can do, and you have this already, you just go remove noise. Now, see that? All that disappeared. Now it's just a straight line. So all this stuff here that you've removed here, it's just going to be a nice even thing now. Like I said, be careful when you're getting your deciding how much noise you want to remove, because you could distort or take out a bit of the audio backbone or whatever you want to call it, and you could end up making your voice sound pretty messed up. Don't worry, if you make a mistake, you go edit, undo, and you're good. And like I said, you go noise removal, and it's the same as last time. There. Anyway, so that's pretty much all you have to do, I believe. So give that a try, Scorpions, and if this doesn't work for you, I'll try my best. I'll help you out as much as I can. I'll try something else. We'll figure it out. And everyone else, This is just a basic tutorial on Audacity. I'm going to hopefully give you some more cool tutorials. This is noise removal, how to remove that nasty extra mic noise that you might have, and that's all there is to it. Oh, I'll give you one more little tip since I'm here. This is a really easy one. Once you have all your project recorded, whatever you're doing in Audacity, once you have it all done, whatever you're doing, you can record track over track like this, and it'll play this, and you can even stop it so it doesn't play that back while you're recording, but I like to do that. Once you have your whole project ready and lined up how you want, hit there, save as WAV, done. That's it. Now, if I were to go to the place where, okay, there we go. If you were to go to the place where you'd saved it, there's my thing. Keep in mind they're going to be fairly big audio files because they're not compressed audio. So, anyway, so this has been a little Audacity tutorial. I guess it's been Audacity noise removal. So, pretty simple stuff. Check it out. I'm sorry for the longer video. I probably talked a little more than I should have. Anyway, subscribe to Robin Hood Gaming for future videos. We do all kinds of cool game videos, tutorials, and all kinds of stuff. I'm going to do tons more tutorials on tons of different things if I can. I'm going to do tons more game videos, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, see you guys later. This is John.